By the way guys, welcome to Sugba Lagoon and Emma. Hey guys, good afternoon. Today we are going to
Sugba Lagoon.
and I'm here with
Rhea.
and we are now in guys Del Carmen Port. So this is like the main if you are going to Sugba Lagoon, right?
Yeah, the starting point.
Yes, and we're going now and ipapakita namin yung mga friends namin. We sure guys are friends. So we are 6 people here with his friends and also with my friend, and we are here guys. And so entrance guys, if you are going to Sugba Lagoon, this is my friend. Yung mga kasama natin guys, Ana, Mombros, and our Filipina, Emma. Say hi to the vlog. By the way, this is Emma.
Why it's too close to my face?
It's okay. By the way, Emma, Emma, it's your first time to going.
I burned you. Sorry.
Sugba Lagoon is your first time?
I don't know, last time I'm sober. So second time now.
Anna, it's your first time?
Yeah. It's your first time.
Yeah, I told you already.
I think
First-
it's the second time. Actually.
Also, my brother, first time, bro?
Yeah, first time.
First time.
He's a ranger.
Guys, we are going now to Sugba Lagoon. Where's our Filipina?
Aside from documentation, we have a hard copy later po, pero optional lang naman kung magustuhan mo yan.
Yes. So we're going now, guys. Emma! Say hi to the vlog! Our Filipina, guys. Our Filipina body.
1, 2, 3, go. Maybe my soulmate time. I don't know.
Bye! Nakadirupan natin. We are here at Sugba Lagoon. Look. Look the water. No blue. No blue. Guys, sobrang ganda dito talaga. Make sure if you come to Siargao, dapat yung Sugba Lagoon is your leash. So, finally guys, we are now in Sugba Lagoon. Emma, how was your trip?
Okay, but it's too close to my face, you know?
Also,
I feel like,
by the way guys, welcome to Sugba Lagoon and Emma, how is it?
why only me?
No, after you next.
It's okay.
It's okay.
But what I'm wondering, how big is my face?
No, it's not big.
It's not big.
It's not
okay.
big. You're gonna see
Always
later.
to 0.5, and the faces have like weird.
No, because the so white.
Good afternoon, Sugba Lagoon, Siargao!
Okay. Good afternoon.
We are here.
Good afternoon.
Welcome. Our Filipina. Happy. Emma. Ay, Hannah, sorry.
I don't know, maybe I don't have a soul.
Guys, ang maganda sa Balagon guys is pwede ka mag-kayak. Tapos you can explore some islands there. And then aside from kayak, sobrang talaga nakaka-chill talaga siya dito. Like, look, sobrang lang linaw ng tubig, quality, and look at the view guys. Yes. So, make sure mo talaga ipupunta ka ng Siargao. It's your bucket list, diba? So, you can explore the island, not like surfing, but also the hidden spot in Siargao. Ganda, lo. You can jump there. Mga foreigner guys, sumatalon. Go. Alright. Okay. Thank you. So guys, magkayak muna kami. So let's enjoy. Ay. So peaceful. We're going to ito yung view guys pag nagkayak kayo. Look, so yan another angle and only us. Look guys, ay, oh my god bro,
Para na kayo pang post ba?
guys, tapos na kami mag Balagon, and yeah, this is so nice. I'm so happy to be back this spot, and yeah, see you in the next vlog.